ng NCAA.
Medyo matagal-tagal na yun, Anton. Almost 3 years ng Anton.
Si Adamos is a transferee from Technological Institute of the Philippines.
Huwag na kayong mag-hero ball. Back to you, Anton.
Tama ka, Siege. Maraming
Dadala niya. I mean, he is the anchor of their defense. They are a pressing team. So pag malusutan mo itong mga mabibilis na manlalaro ng San Beda, ang masasalubong sa'yo si Donald Tangwa. At malaking bagay yun. Parang
difficult for the entry passer to find Allwell. Noah, dinabas ang bola. Ranch Tonko, nothing but net.
yeah, good penetration by Noah and giving that assist pass. So right now, it's quickness of San Beda.
Inyo bang natuto ngayon ang Phil Oil Flying V Center dito sa lungsod ng San Juan ang venue. Exhibiting Joseph Eriobu with a putback.
Grabe yung effort na pinapakita ni Oriobu. Siya na yung huling-huling bumaba doon at nakuha pa niya yung offensive rebound.
Carlos is in the ball game. JV Mocon.
Kasi na pa ng pang-sports no? Pang-dancing din. At yun na, problema dito kay Noah, like we said, who only averages 9 minutes per game, yung hangin niya. Ang ganda ng linaro niya, scored 7 points, pero
Rebound Oraime. Medina. Nice pass to Justin.
Player who can score, who is a good complementary player to their big men, and who can make assist passes as well.
We also have Siege Tantenko at court side. Medina opening up the third quarter with that triple.
And this is one thing na
Zico. Soberano. But steps back. Davon Potts knocks it in.
Only his fourth point of the ball game para kay Davon Potts.
Support para sa dalawang palabang koponan na nagbabanggaan ngayon sa Phil Oil Flying V Center. But to those watching, Estrella, nice pass underneath para kay Bunya. Estrella, Romarachada, Estrella, umikot, binigay na naman kay Bunya, back to back. San Beda on the run. Raj Tonko, Mocon, umikot, pinasa kay Davon Potts. Davon Potts with a finish. Here comes Isin. Binigay kay Eriobu. Eriobu umikot. Eriobu tumira. Pasok. 10 points already in the game. Menina, no. Eriobu fakes, fires. And Joseph Eriobu now with a career high 23 points for Joseph Eriobu, his previous career.
Mapua Cardinals with 3 minutes and 25 seconds left. Ito, may agaw pa.
CJ Isip with a steal and the basket.
San Beda.
Potts stops, fires, and converts. Davon Potts, Mr. Fourth Quarter, is at it again.
And he likes that.
Eriobu. Binigay dito kay Menina for 3. Big time! San Beda holding on to a 2-point lead. Balik, umatake. Overall, well, Oraime.
It's all about offense right now. Tingnan natin kung sinong kupunan ang makakapagbigay ng that important stop.
Eriobu with the binigay kay Estrella. La pass to Oraime for the lead. Oh, well, Oraime gives the lead to the Cardinals.
Yun yung gusto nilang gawin kanina na hindi nila nagawa. And this time, another good.
Long pass to Allwell Oraime and the MVP gives Mapua the lead.
Alam mo yung give and take yan, Anton. Dinrowing ni Coach Jamaic earlier.
Noah. Noah! Huminto! Tumira! Noah! Are you kidding me? Wow!
Napaganda pa para sa San Beda. They wanted a 3-point shooter, but ito si Noah, very capable also of hitting that 3-point basket.
And Coach Atoy ko,
because hindi kilalang 3-point shooter, ito si Noah.
I've seen it all.
Right. Sino pwede tumay?
After the extra 5 minutes, 75-68.
And like we said, what a treat for our NC.
Eriobu with the rebound. Menina. Isin. Saves it to Menina. Menina, umikot, tuwid. Cross-court pass. Isid drives baseline. CJ Isid. The few Mapua Cardinals on this team to taste victory against the Red Lions. Isid for three. CJ!
He said it's been the guards of Mapua nagpapakita para sa kanila.
And if they win today, if the Cardinals win today, it could also be the turning point of the season for them. CJ Isid finds his way to the basket.
7 points for CJ Isid dito sa ating overtime. Anton, well, at NCAA at its best, napakaganda linaro ng Mapua. An all-important win for them para umangat dito sa ating standings right now.